Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the Radium Engineering Dual Catch Can kit. So I have the dual catch can set up right here. This is the one that goes on the right side of the Evo. It goes right here. So take a look or pay attention to exactly how this adapter is installed. So this nozzle or the 10-amp fitting comes in towards the front, and this is the top one. So I was kind of wondering to how it was installed, but then I was able to find the instructions online on the Radium Engineering website. So it's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to be showing you guys just in case if you have any questions or any hesitations how to install this one. So it comes with all the necessary parts and things to install it. All these parts are right here, and then this is the catch can for the left side. Okay, so this one goes in right here, like this way. So it's pretty simple, not that hard. Actually, it gets installed right here. Okay, so you just have to take out this bolt right here. This is for the left hand side, I should say passenger side headlight bolt. And then you'll just have to take out the driver's side headlight bolt for the other side, and this one gets installed to this guy right here. Okay, you just have to take this like a nose plier and then take out this, and then it goes and get installed into the intake right behind this. Right, you see this one? Sure, let me see, let me brighten it up a little bit. Right there. Okay, into the intake. And then the passenger side one, you just have to take a nose plier, and then let me focus camera. You just have to get a nose plier and then take out this one and then this one. Okay, you just have to route the tubing that comes with it. Not that hard, it's actually pretty straightforward. I hope this helps. I didn't actually bend that much. I just kind of pushed these air condition, I should say, yeah, the AC lines or the power steering lines, these two guys right here, push back a little bit, and then this one for sure, this is part of the air conditioner. I just pushed back this one a little bit too further towards the engine. I mean, it's not much, just slightly. Just get like a piece of wood. That's what the Radium Engineering recommends. This is for the 2010 and up dual catch can setup. So it's because it comes with a plastic valve cover. If you have any questions or comments, leave below, and like and subscribe. Thank you guys.